Topic is separable differential equations made easy for IB mathematics, the AHL. Now in this video we will learn how to solve differential equations using the method of separation of variables. This is one of the most important techniques in IB mathematics, especially for solving first order differential equations step by step. So the key idea now, a differential equation is separable if all the x terms can be grouped on one side and all the y terms on the other side. We know what is a differential equation. Now, if we have any equation, a general form of the equation which is variable or separable form, let's say dy by dx is equal to product of two functions in x and y. So we can separate the variables, the two variables x and y, functions with two variables. So 1 over h of y respect to y is equal to g of x respect to x after separation. Now after separating the variables, we can integrate both sides. So what are the steps if you give to find constant? After separating, first step is separate variables, integrate both sides, add the constant of integration, and then if initial conditions are given, use them and find the constant of integration. Now let's take one example, simple example. Concept is more important. For simple to complex approach is always appreciable. Solve. Dy by dx is equal to x into y. Write the steps clearly. So in the solution we may write the equation as it is again. Separate the variables first step. So 1 over y dy x into dx, integrate 1 over y into dy, integration sign respect to x. We know integration of 1 over y is ln magnitude of y. Ln magnitude of y is x square by 2 plus c. Now make y as a subject. Magnitude of y is equal to e raised to power x square by 2 plus c, that is e raised to power x square by 2 into e raised to power c, and y is equal to e raised to power c is another constant, so that is c into e raised to power x square by 2, where c is equal to e raised to power c, uppercase. So if the initial conditions, let's say x or y are given, that x is equal to 1 or y is equal to 2, then we can find the constant of integration. This is the general solution. In IB exam, marks are awarded for correct separation, correct integration, and correct use of constants, and always show all steps clearly. So general common mistake, sometimes students forget to separate the variables fully, sometimes they miss constant of integration, and incorrect integration of logarithmic terms can also lead to simple silly errors in the working. So we have to be alert while writing our answers. Thank you.